Starting around 19 July 2023, extremely smooth love elixir sort of is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.2% in by and large most recent 60 minutes. Or so they by and large thought. SLP sort of has a sort of complete market cap of $69,228,776, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,830,446 in a significant manner. This especially makes extremely smooth love mixture, SLP, fundamentally positioning at 306 in the digital money market, in a kind of large manner. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the truly smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will all things considered, smooth love mixture in every way that really matters, be exceptionally worth in 2023, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is truly smooth love elixir a very wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Which really is very critical. Will SLP cost generally outperform its untouched high, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? These for the most part are our smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future in a sort of large manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the smooth love elixir figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The SLP cost for the most part is supposed to sort of cross a buy and large normal value level of $0.002, the normal sort of least value worth of fundamentally smooth love mixture, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to basically be $0.002. Kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, besides SLP can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.002. Smooth love mixture value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of sort of smooth love elixir really is supposed to be at around a very least of $0.002, which truly is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture cost can basically arrive at a sort of limit of $0.002, with the kind of typical cost of $0.002 in United States dollars, which truly is very critical. Smooth love mixture value gauge August 2023, the in every practical sense, normal cost of sort of smooth love elixir, SLP, could generally go to $0.002 toward August 2023 in a by and large significant manner's end. SLP could truly be exchanging around and in every practical sense, greatest worth of $0.002 with the by and large least expected cost of $0.002. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation September 2023, concerning September 2023. Kind of smooth love elixir cost in every way that really matters, is estimate to arrive at an outright least cost of $0.002, which generally is genuinely critical. The SLP cost could especially arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.002, with the sort of typical expected cost around $0.002, in spite of mainstream thinking. SLP value figure October 2023. The especially smooth love mixture conjecture for October 2023 expects that the SLP may in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.002 with a base cost of around $0.002. Incredibly, discussing the typical value SLP can in a real sense stretch around $0.002 for October in a fundamentally significant manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value estimate November 2023. The kind of smooth love elixir, SLP, cost for November 2023 may explicitly arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.002, while the genuinely greatest determined cost generally is around $0.002, which for the most part is very critical. The kind of typical cost for SLP in every way that really matters is basically anticipated to generally reach $0.002 in November 2023. Which for the most part is very critical. SLP value conjecture December 2023, the by and large smooth love elixir gauge for December 2023 expects that the SLP may basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.002 with an especially least cost of around $0.002, showing how truly is genuinely smooth love mixture, a fundamentally wise venture, or certainly worth purchasing in 2023. or so they sort of thought. Discussing the typical cost, SLP can especially stretch around $0.002 for December. Smooth love mixture in every practical sense. Past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the truly smooth love potion's cost really has shown a decent increment of 1.37% as of now in an unpretentious manner. From very most recent 7 days, the SLP truly was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.44%, which certainly is very critical. Smooth love elixir in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be decent, an open door to basically dive right in and contribute, which for the most part is very critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP really diminished by 44.628%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of $0.001 from its genuinely current worth. So will SLP cost essentially outperform its untouched high? This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be, in all things considered, great basically purchase an open door for the most part fast interest in a fundamentally enormous manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 43.74%, and the cost truly flowed from a base pretty typical cost of $0.003 to fundamentally most extreme exceptionally normal cost of $0.003 in the by and large beyond 90 days. So the SLP cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.002, with the very normal expected cost around $0.002 in a significant manner. Smooth love mixture is somewhere near 19.67%. With the greatest truly normal cost of the coin truly was around $0.002, and the very least genuinely normal cost of by and large was around $0.002 in for the most part beyond 4 months. Smooth love elixir value estimate 2023 facts. What will sort of be smooth love mixture pretty worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The SLP cost generally is gauged to explicitly arrive at a very most extreme degree of $0.002, with exceptionally least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Does sort of smooth love mixture fundamentally have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as cost, genuinely smooth love elixir has an extraordinary especially potential to arrive at new levels. Genuinely further appearance how also SLP can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.002. Smooth love mixture value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of kind of smooth love elixir basically is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a genuinely least of $0.002, which especially is genuinely critical.